Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make black sesame paste. So let's get started. I've got here 1 cup of black sesame seeds which I have cleaned, washed and dried. This is what they look like. I bought mine from Coles, but you can get it from any Indian shop. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of hot water, and to sweeten my sesame paste, I've got here 6 dates, or you can use 2 tablespoons of honey. I like to use dates because dates is a natural sweetener, has low GI, is high in fiber, has antioxidants, iron, copper and magnesium. You will also need a blender or a food processor. Add water to the dates and let it soak. To roast the sesame seeds, place a fry pan on medium heat, add sesame seeds and roast it for 3 minutes, stirring it continuously. Turn the heat off. Transfer it into a dish and let it cool down slightly for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take your blender jar, add sesame seeds, soaked dates including the water and olive oil. Blend it for 5 minutes or until you get a thick paste, stopping intermittently and scraping the sides using a spatula. Transfer it into a bottle or a sealed container and you can store it on the bench top. My black sesame paste is ready to use. Take 1 teaspoon every morning on empty stomach, followed by a glass of warm water. Black sesame seeds are very good for you. It is rich in fiber, antioxidants, calcium, iron and magnesium. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.